The struggle. They don't know about struggle. When times get hard, they gon' teach you how to hustle.
What's up with the gang? We back in this thing. It's your boy A1 Steel. You know what I'm saying? Say, today is another day, man. It's called Fun Day Sunday. Y'all know what it is, man. We finna head to the shop. Finna get on. Got J2 over there, you know what I'm saying? Zoom in on my nigga, you know what I mean? Yeah, y'all see my nigga over there, man, you know what I mean? He dripped down, you know. But yeah, man, you know, we finna goddamn me, you know what I'm saying, head to the shop. Get you zoom in on me right, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we finna head to the shop. Get some heads to cut, you know what I'm saying, right now. So, you know, see, we gotta go get to that money, you know what I'm saying? So, tap back in with y'all in a hot second, man, you know what I'm saying? We gotta get on there. Y'all see we on this road, you know what I'm saying? Think about this damn camera, bro, this zoom, you know, you gotta get the zoom right on here, man, you know what I'm saying? Dumbass motherfucker. So yeah, y'all see we on the move. We on the move, so make sure y'all like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Tap in with a nigga, you know what I'm saying? Be back in a hot old second, you dig? What's going on, gang? We back, you know what I'm saying? We done picked up Big Jaja. We done picked up Big Jaja. Say what's up, Jaja? Say what's up. Say what's up. She just smiling. J2 over here, you know what I'm saying, in the cut, you know. We headed to my T-John house, man, you know what I'm saying? We got Sunday dinner you know what I'm saying? Every Sunday, you know what I'm saying? So we headed to T-John house right now, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, you know, always gotta be in some family stuff. We do family stuff every Sunday, you know what I'm saying? So you gotta stay tapped into your family, you know, because a lot of these niggas out here really ain't, you know what I'm saying, niggas be, man, I want to be addressing some stuff like that, man. Niggas be doing a lot of crybaby ass shit, you know what I'm saying? And I be watching niggas shit, you know what I'm saying? Watching niggas YouTubes and shit. We gonna talk about YouTube and shit. Niggas be watching and shit. Niggas be on some crybaby shit sometimes, man. You know what I'm saying? Suck that shit up, man. Goddamn it, take that shit on the chin and keep on going, you know what I'm saying? Niggas be crying about certain shit, certain shops doing this and certain niggas doing this and people ain't doing that. Bro, why do you deal with the people if you gonna be crybabying about them and shit? Then if you building a relationship with a person, turn it down. Stuff louder than me. Nah, you tell her, you know, if you out here building relationships with people and stuff like that, man, and it goes sour, and people want to go blast you, post you, and do all that. Like if it was solid, if we were solid, you would never did that. You know what I'm saying? So just to tap into some stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, get off that subject. We finna get last night. We finna go see what this dinner about. You know what I'm saying? At my mom's house and stuff like that. And she stayed back here playing with her little old thing, you know. So y'all see it's a lot of noise and stuff going on right now. So I'm gonna tap back in with y'all in a hot second when we get to where we going. Hey man, just make sure y'all like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. You know I told y'all, man, I'm coming full-fledged with these vlogs. I'm trying to get y'all something every day, post something every day, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, tap in. Hey man, we've been going 100 and some days of no rain in Texas, man, and we finally got some rain out here in Texas. Y'all see it's going down. Drink to it. coming down, y'all.
We need that rain. Thank you, Lord.
Huh?
Thank you, Lord.
I need all this. We gonna put this down right here, y'all. But I'm gonna have my brother. I'm gonna have my brother do me a thumbnail. You hear me in the rain? You did?
You gotta get in the rain.
Yeah, I'm gonna stand in the rain. You gonna take a picture of me, and I'm gonna be in the rain. Thumbnail.
Report live. Look at that. Get your bitch. Bro, you can't even see the rain. Oh yeah, you can see it. Oh no, you gotta take a picture. Come on, I'm getting wet. Oh no, that's a good one. Look, that bitch, that portrait is clear. Yeah, you can see the rain.
That's gonna be my thumbnail.
That nigga said, "Oh, come on, I'm getting wet." He might want to come get the car.
Yeah, he gonna need to get
the shit finna start getting, you know.
Cause it'll come down.
I know, in a minute. Yeah, it's already getting a little, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna go in the garage.
Oh.
Take that up out of there. We can't afford that. This nigga speak.
Okay, gang, you know what I'm saying? Y'all seen, man, I had to take that, you know what I'm saying, thumbnail, you know, had to get it right. But it is raining, y'all. Let me clean the camera. Yeah. It is raining outside, man, and it's going down. I'm talking about, y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that shit? It is coming down, y'all. Uh-oh. Time to make another, reel. TikTok. Tap back in.
The next day.
What's going on, gang? Hey, man, say it's another day. Y'all heard there blowing in this thing, you know what I'm saying? It's another day, you know, from yesterday. You see, she baked the tomato and cheese. See every time. Yeah, so yeah. Yesterday we had some good rain, you know. So today it's kind of cool outside. It still say 108, but I doubt it's that hot outside right now. It don't look like it don't feel like it's no 108 outside. It kind of feels like it's in it like 90s or something like that. So yeah, I'm finna go ahead to the shop, man. Cut my pop's hair. Man, I've pretty much been in the house all day, man, cleaning up, getting stuff together in the house. So yeah, I've been at the house getting stuff ready together at the house and stuff like that, man, cleaning up, doing, you know, little house dues and stuff like that, because I barely be at the house like that, so make sure I gotta get everything right for the house, you know, so yeah, man, so I'm on the way, like I say, to the shop, man, go make me some money, tap back in with y'all in a hot second, man. I might pull up on somebody, man, and do something, man, do some shooting, you know what I'm saying, do some vlogging, so yeah, man, see y'all tap in, man. What's going on, gang? Y'all know what it is. It's your boy A1 Still, and we back in this thing. Say, man, look, I got a pretty motherfucker sitting right in front of me, man. Like when I say a pretty motherfucker, man, say, hey, man, we got something coming for y'all for real, for real. And if y'all don't know, Y'all gonna know when we start hit that track, it's gonna go down, homie. Like the camera off for you right quick, you know what I'm saying? But look at this thing, man. Y'all see this, man. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. Yeah, G-Body gang, you know what I'm saying? It's going down in the making. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get this seat done. You know? Bro got a good project call coming for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. She got them old boys on that thing, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, them crazy. Yeah, you see the name of them things. Let me see. There you go. Y'all see? See the name of them things right there. So yeah. I'll show y'all what's up under this hood. Y'all see what's going on. Nice little setup. Yeah. So y'all know what's finna go down when we go get this thing going. You know what I'm saying? I wish he was out here have his ass start this thing up. You know what I'm saying? Come crank this boy up. Let y'all see what it's really cranking like, you know what I'm saying? For real. So yeah, man, if I can get him to crank it up, man, I'm gonna let y'all know, man. I'm finna see what he got going, and I'll tap back with y'all know how those sing.
How you gonna catch the fucking video after the nigga start the call?
Shit, you know, you started it, you didn't tell me you was finna start it.
You heard the motherfucking fuel pump, nigga.
I had to turn the camera on. It's a process, nigga. One click. One click. One click. Say one click. Y'all see what's going on. Ready to bust a nigga ass up, you know what I'm saying? Put your money on the line, we got you, we gonna bust your ass at the light, you hear me? We gonna bust your ass at the light. Put your money up. All you niggas are talking that shit, you gonna hear this. And he gone. That's all you gonna hear. I was about to say, it bitch sound good.
The battery be more dead.
That bitch sound good though. Wait till a nigga get that paint on that motherfucker.
There's definitely some shit on the way.
Yeah, wait till the nigga get that paint on this motherfucker, y'all.
Y'all comment down in the bottom of the video what kind of motor y'all think, what size motor y'all think that is.
What y'all think that's in there?
Everybody, you know what I'm saying?
They don't probably know what that is.
My shit probably just moved over. I just realigned out. You see that? Then I ain't talking no more. It's lined up right out straight across. All three of them. Now this one, I think it's this dough. I gotta raise this dough up. And this is off, which means he messed up my body line, but I ain't in the building.
Yeah, man.
Blacky, gonna have to be blacky.
New G body on, finna go hit the streets, man. You know what I'm saying?
We're gonna be out for show in October. We're gonna be sliding and riding and gliding through the city. Birthday, I will be in this motherfucker.
He said, I think said my birthday, I will be in this motherfucker.
I ain't going out of town. I want to be in my car.
Hit the other boy. You know what I'm saying? Old school's just in the yard, you know what I'm saying? Old school's just in the yard. She got TVs in the seats and that thing. You know what I'm saying? See the seats in that, boy. Y'all see the seats in that, boy. Y'all see the seats in that, boy. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on in that thing, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Yeah, man. Cut back in with y'all in the hot in a second. You know. Y'all see me show y'all a little sneak peek what we got going. Might end the video for today. So, I don't know. I might pop back out. If I pop back out, y'all would know. If not, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Fuck with your boy, man. This A1 Steel, you know what I'm saying? Boss Lifestyle Gang. Y'all know what it is, man. Let's go.
When times get hard, they gon' teach you how to hustle. The struggle. They don't know about struggle.